Chief Minister Digambar Kamath and GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar has strongly supported Mopa Airport, calling it a topmost priority. CM has clarified his agenda and said that Mopa Airport work will start soon after the renovation of Daboli Airport. GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar has affirmed that opposition from any minister will not affect the proposed 6-lane highway project in the state. This clarification has come from Shirodkar when their own cabinet minister Churchill Alamau is fighting against these projects. It seems that Congress has finally taken a tough stand on Churchill.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath has very clearly said that Mopa Airport will come up in the state. He informed that work for Mopa will start after renovating Daboli Airport. According to him, there is no chance of any contradictions on Mopa-Daboli issue.
Modegatan Mopa-Daboli dispute has already been resolved and there is no question of any controversy or any discussion on this issue.
Is there no clarity in the cabinet, sir?
There is absolutely total clarity in the cabinet. If somebody makes any statement, it is in his personal capacity. The government stand on this airport is very clear, and I am again making it clear. The first priority when we went to Delhi, we had said that Daboli, and in fact the committee on the airport constituted by the Prime Minister, when we submitted our report, I had told the press also, our report was very clear that Daboli has to be retained, upgraded to the international airport. After that process completes, we will take up Mopa Airport. Accordingly, government after that process started the land acquisition proceedings for Mopa Airport.
GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar has said that land acquisition process for Mopa Airport has already started. Shirodkar has clarified that opposition from Churchill Alamau to 6-lane highway and Mopa Airport will not be considered seriously.
पुणे विमानतळाची सुधारणा करपा खातीर केंद्र सरकारान जवळजवळ 350 कोटी रुपयांचे बजेट अप्रूव्ह केल्ले आसा आनी काम सुरवात जाल्लें आसा. पण त्या बरोबरच गोवा सरकारान मोपाचो विमानतळ जो आसा त्याची बांदणी करपा खातीर किंवा बांदावळ करपा खातीर ताचे खातीर जी जमीन संपादन जे करूं भूसंपादन जे करूंक जाय तो प्रोसेस सुरू जाल्लो आसा आनी म्हज्या हिसपान तितले बेगीन जमीन संपादन जातली त्या मोपाच्या एअरपोर्टा खातीर आनी त्या नंतर मागीर केंद्रीय पर्यटन जे आसा पळय विमान वाहतूक डिपार्टमेंट आसा पळय ते ताजे टेंडर काडटले इन प्रायवेट सेक्टर.